really big.
In half a mile, use the right 2 lanes to take exit 72 for Florida 528 East toward International Airport, Cape Canaveral.
Is the convention.
Orlando Convention Center.
There you go.
Nice looking convention center.
Very nice. We're here in Orlando, Florida. So we're going to look around here. There's an Outback Steakhouse. And look at this. Oh yeah, I don't want to ride that.
Fun.
I told you. I told you, baby, I don't want to ride that. Oh my goodness. Salamat. Thank you, baby. Thank you, good kayo. Thank you so much.
Come on. Let's
Oh
go.
my. No. If it's free, then no.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't know how many feet is that.
A lot.
Oh yeah. Oh my goodness.
If you fall, you're dead.
Oh yes. You will fly all the way there on the other side.
Top of the building.
Wow, look at that. They're going down now.
All that electricity for 2 people.
Two people only, no?
Yeah. I think I'd be getting nervous right now with it running that fast and swinging me up over the building.
Going to tourist info. $49 for the two.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, we're going there. Hello. Right here. Oh my god, they're going there. the Orlando Convention Center.
Disney, I'm thinking that's way over there. It's all like way over there.
Oh. I think we're almost on the highest spot. Oh my god, baby, we're the highest na yun. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, look at that. Hi guys, we're here on the highest spot already. Did you see that helicopter? Oh my god. Baby, don't shake ba?
I'm not shaking.
So scared. Really scared. Guys, look at this.
400 feet.
That one is 450 feet. Second tallest Ferris wheel. So we've been right in third one, number 3. And where is that maybe?
Now the number one, we need to go to Vegas.
Yeah, we've been there already last January, but we didn't ride. So now we got already ride the second and third one, which is in New Jersey. So we need to go there in Las Vegas and ride the first tallest Ferris wheel in America. We're almost down now. It's about 20 minutes ride. So fun, guys. We paid, when you book online, it's just only $22.75. But when you buy here on the booth, it's worth $28, I think. So you can save around $10 for both of us. So we're almost down now. So nice. So I ordered this kiwi strawberry lemonade, and this is it. I love it. So here's our food. I got lobster, baked sweet potato, and what is this?
Filet mignon.
Filet steak, and a broccoli with cheese. Let's eat, guys. What you got, baby? How many ounce? So yummy. Good, baby.
Raw steak.
Steak. Mine is lobster. This hotel. Look how big.
Tennis courts.
1358C.
1358C.
Yeah, this is it.
1358C.
Yeah.
Well, no way to find that.
There you go. Wow.